You start telling your friends. Call somebody on the phone right now and say, man, I need more money, man. I need more money. I want more money. I'm going to get more money. Just give me, anybody in the room, give me a phone. I'll call your mom right now and tell her you're here. You're here, Ryan. You're here because you want to make more money. Who you want me to call, man? Who? Right here, right here, right here. What is it? You may call your dad. Okay. Let's see what he says. Let's see what Dad says. I love him just the way he is. He probably going to say some dumb fatherly bullshit. I love. What's your name? Why you got me on video, man? Oh. What's his name? What's your name? What is it? Bill? Bill what? Why you got Roland on there, dude? Hey, my friend. How you doing? I got your son here, man. I got your son here. Look, I got your son here. You know what your son just told me?
No, tell me.
He said he wants to make a lot of damn money.
And tell him, he must remember for me.
He must what?
He must remember some of the money for me too.
Oh, you're a good dad. You're a good dad. What you need to tell him is, you need to tell him what took you so long. All right, have a good day. Okay? I guarantee you, if you go back and tell your parents, your brother, your sister, just make a list, man. Just do your familial. Just do the family. Just start telling them, hey, man, I'm going to make more money, man. I want to make more money. I guarantee you, half of them are going to tell you, you don't need to do that. That's not necessary. I love you just the way you are. My mom used to tell me that all the time. I call my mom, Mom, I bought a deal. I bought a deal today. It's $35 million. 35. Couldn't even believe it. I can't even believe they gave me a loan. It's unbelievable. My mom would be like, that's great. And every time she followed up with this, I love you just the way you are. Just remember that. Mama, I wrote a book. It hit the bestseller list. International phenomenon. I love you just the way you are. And one day I finally got it. Dude, she's a mom. I didn't want to hear that. I wanted to hear that's unbelievable, phenomenal. You know, here's the reality. I didn't love me just the way I was. Okay? For those of you who are taking notes, if you're not satisfied with where you're at, quit loving you just the way you are. If you're like, I can do more, quit getting people to pat you on the back for where you hate. You don't need people around you smothering you with sympathy. Oh, you're so good. JK, you need somebody saying, JK, you can do better. Okay? I do better when I'm pushed. How many of you in the room do better when you're pushed? Okay, say yes if you do. Yes. Yeah, man, I do better when I'm pushed. I don't need people cuddling me. I'm playing golf. I'm hitting a ball. It's terrible. I don't need you telling me, oh, man, I don't need advice. Dude, that was terrible. Dude, that's awful. Your swing sucks, okay? Okay? I want to get myself in better shape. I don't need people telling me I'm in good shape. I need people telling me, dude, there's 2 inches you can get rid of. How many of you need people around you telling you the truth? I don't need another mother, okay? I'm out of the womb. I made it. I made it through baby and teenage years. If you made it through the teenage years, it's time to freaking blow up. Because shit, that's hard. Just getting through 14 and 15. If you made it through that, man, it's time to blow up. How many of you want to blow up? Okay? This isn't a motivational thing. I ain't trying to jack you up. I'm trying to wake you up. I'm not trying to change your state. I'm trying to change your bank statement. Okay? I don't want you ever telling anybody Grant made me feel good. I want you telling people Grant made me rich.